Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about vibration not working on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, first of all, make sure check that vibration turn on or not. For that, open setting application. Here guys, scroll down from here and simply tap on accessibility, tap on touch, and scroll down. You can see vibration turn off. Guys, make sure always your vibration turn on from here, and must be see the next settings. And for that, open setting application, scroll down here, and simply tap on sound and haptics, and make sure check ringtone haptics, and you can see simply tap on vibration. Here you can see none is selected, but make sure always selected from here. You can see top right corner, select from here, and now go back here guys. Now go back from here, and scroll down from here, and guys, you can see play haptics in ring mode turn on, make sure, and play haptics in silent mode, make sure turn on from here. Now scroll down, and must be system haptics turn on from here. Guys, if this setting always turn on, so must be see the next solution. For that, simply tap on setting application, and scroll down, tap on journal, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Here guys, tap on reset all setting. Don't worry, no lose your data of your iPhone. Enter mobile passcode and do reset all setting of your iPhone. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone will be solved by reset all setting of your iPhone. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel.